Are you looking to start a keto diet but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in luck because we've put together the ultimate keto meal plan that is both delicious and easy to follow. This cookbook is a compilation of all our favorite keto recipes we've come across so far, and we can't wait to share them with you. In this video, we will walk you through the best keto meal plan, offer free keto recipes, and give you all the information you need to get started on your keto journey. Top keto recipes for your meal plan. The key to a successful keto meal plan is to have a variety of delicious recipes that you can rotate throughout the week. In this section, we will show you some of our top keto recipes that are sure to become a staple in your diet. Keto Chicken Parmesan. This recipe is a keto-friendly twist on the classic Italian dish. Instead of using breadcrumbs and pasta, we use almond flour and zucchini noodles. The result is a delicious, low-carb meal that is sure to satisfy your cravings. To make this dish, you will need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup almond flour, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, 2 large eggs, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of marinara sauce, 2 cups of zucchini noodles. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a shallow dish, mix together the almond flour, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. In another shallow dish, whisk the eggs. Dip each chicken breast into the egg mixture, then coat in the almond flour mixture. Place the chicken on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and golden brown. In a separate saucepan, heat the marinara sauce over medium heat. In a skillet, sauté the zucchini noodles for 2 to 3 minutes until tender. To serve, top each chicken breast with marinara sauce and grated Parmesan cheese, and serve with the sautéed zucchini noodles on the side. Keto Taco Salad. This salad is a perfect lunch or dinner option for those on a keto diet. We use ground beef cooked in taco seasoning and top it with avocado, cheese, and sour cream. You won't even miss the tortilla chips. To make this dish, you will need 1 pound ground beef, 2 tablespoons taco seasoning, salt and pepper, 4 cups of chopped lettuce, 1 avocado, diced 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup sour cream. Instructions. In a skillet over medium-high heat, cook the ground beef until browned. Add the taco seasoning, salt, and pepper, and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. In a large bowl, combine the chopped lettuce, diced avocado, shredded cheddar cheese, and cooked ground beef. Top with sour cream and serve. Keto Cauliflower Fried Rice. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be used in many different ways on a keto diet. In this recipe, we use cauliflower rice as a substitute for regular rice, making it a low-carb and delicious option for a stir-fry. To make this dish, you will need 1 head of cauliflower, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 small onion, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1/2 cup frozen peas, 1/2 cup diced carrots, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 eggs, beaten, salt and pepper. Instructions. Cut the cauliflower into small florets and pulse in a food processor until it resembles rice. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, melt the coconut oil. Add the diced onion and garlic and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Add the cauliflower rice, frozen peas, and diced carrots, and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Push the cauliflower mixture to the side of the skillet and add the beaten eggs to the other side. Scramble the eggs until cooked through, then mix everything together. Add soy sauce, salt, and pepper to taste and serve. The ultimate keto meal plan. Now that you have some recipe ideas, let's talk about how to put together the ultimate keto meal plan. Here are some tips to get you started. Plan your meals in advance. One of the most important aspects of a successful keto meal plan is planning ahead. Take some time at the beginning of each week to plan out your meals and snacks for the week. This will help you stay on track and avoid making unhealthy choices when you're hungry and pressed for time. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your meals by trying to make everything from scratch. Stick to simple recipes that use easy-to-find ingredients. This will save you time and money and make it easier to stick to your meal plan. Don't forget about snacks. Snacking can be a challenge on a keto diet, as many traditional snack foods are high in carbs. However, there are plenty of keto-friendly snack options, such as nuts, seeds, cheese, and veggies with dip. Make sure to plan for snacks throughout the day to keep your energy levels up and avoid feeling hungry between meals. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. To get the most out of your keto diet, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. These foods will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive and keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Track your macros. Tracking your macros, or your intake of carbs, protein, and fat, is essential on a keto diet. Use an app or a food journal to keep track of your macros and ensure that you're staying within your daily carb limit. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important on a keto diet, as it can help flush out toxins and keep you feeling full. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day, and consider adding some electrolytes to your water to help prevent dehydration. Free keto recipes. We know that starting a new diet can be overwhelming, which is why we're offering free keto recipes to help you get started. Our cookbook is filled with delicious and easy-to-make recipes that are sure to become a staple in your diet. Here are a few of our favorites. Keto bacon wrapped asparagus. This simple appetizer is a perfect keto-friendly snack or side dish. It's easy to make and deliciously indulgent. To make this dish, you will need 12 asparagus spears, 6 slices of bacon, salt and pepper. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Trim the tough ends off the asparagus and wrap each spear with half a slice of bacon. Place the bacon-wrapped asparagus on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and season with salt and pepper. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the bacon is crispy and the asparagus is tender. Keto chocolate chip cookies. Who says you can't have dessert on a keto diet? These chocolate chip cookies are low carb and delicious. To make this dish, you will need 2 cups almond flour, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1/2 cup erythritol or other keto-friendly sweetener, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 cup sugar-free chocolate chips. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, combine the almond flour, melted butter, erythritol, egg, vanilla extract, and baking soda. Stir in the chocolate chips. Using a cookie scoop, drop the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cookies are golden brown. Keto grilled cheese sandwich. This recipe is a keto-friendly twist on a classic comfort food. It's perfect for lunch or a quick dinner. To make this dish, you will need 2 slices of keto-friendly bread, 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon butter. Instructions. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Butter one side of each slice of bread. Place 1 slice of bread in the skillet, butter side down. Top with the slices of cheddar cheese and the other slice of bread, butter side up. Cook the sandwich for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the cheese is melted and the bread is golden brown. Remove from the skillet and let cool for a minute before slicing and serving. These recipes are just a few examples of the delicious and satisfying meals you can enjoy on a keto diet. And with our free cookbook, you'll have access to even more recipes that will help you stay on track and achieve your health goals. The ultimate keto meal plan is all about focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, staying within your daily carb limit, and staying hydrated. With these tips and tricks in mind, you'll be able to create delicious and satisfying meals that will help you feel your best. And with our free keto recipes, you'll have plenty of inspiration to keep you on track and motivated. Remember, this cookbook is a compilation of all our favorite recipes we've come across so far. We hope you enjoy them and that they help you on your journey to better health. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your keto meals today and see the difference it can make in your life. Want more recipes for free? Click the link below and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.